Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. My name is Inhlanhla and this channel it's all about making money online using apps, websites and side hustles. I'll be documenting my journey with you guys to share all the sites, the apps that I've used and be completely transparent with you on whether these apps are worth trying or not. As a bonus, I'll show proof of payment on the apps, the sites that I've used, and to add cherry on top, I'll be giving you guys tips and tricks on how you can be able to capitalize more whenever you are using these apps. So if you're looking for this type of information, then you're watching the right video and you're at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button to be able to see more of this video whenever I drop. So without any waste of time, let's get back to today's video. Today's video, I'll be talking about an app known as Lootup. And this app has a potential of you to earn at least $100 in a month. Yes, at least $100 in a month. And you can earn this money in 9 ways when you're using this app. So unfortunately, this app does not cater for iOS users. So if you're using an iPhone, unfortunately, you won't be able to download this app. So it only caters for the Android users, but you can also use it on your laptop, guys. So I'll be showing you the laptop version. So let me go to my laptop to show you this ways of earning on this app. Okay guys, this is how the app looks like. The name of the app is called Lootup, as you can see, and it says earn rewards for completing simple daily tasks. So you earn by completing all these tasks that you are given. So the first one you can do is by doing surveys, and the second one is completing offers, and then you open the toolbox, and then you play games, you shop online. They also do free giveaways, which is they give the codes which is you enter on your site. I will show you when I've logged into my account. And then there's weekly and monthly contest, and you also get paid by watching videos. So first you sign up. As you can see, it says you enter your email, you create a username, and then you also create a password, and you must be at least 18 years of age. And then this is how you sign up to the app. So yeah, and then let me show you let me log into my account so that I can explain more about this ways of earning. Into my account, as you can see, it says load up again and giveaway contest, then the redeem. This is where you withdraw, and then this is the way to earn, which is by contest. So you enter the contest, which is on a weekly. They do list people who have been ranking the first, second. You see, these are all the people that are on the prize. So you see this one is gonna be getting 15,000 points, which is equivalent to $15 for completing this points. So these are the points people are killing it, as you can see. So as you accumulate more points, you get to be listed on this contest, and then these are the points that are gonna be given to you. So what these points they mean is that when you do task, you get paid by points. So what I mean by points is 1,000 points is equivalent to $1. So in this case, this guy has got 15,000 points, so which is equivalent to $15, and then this one is $12.5. So when you do well in this site, you get rewarded also. This is the weekly and also the monthly. You see, this is the monthly one, and then the other one it's by referring people, by referrals. So you get into this contest, they will put you automatically. And then the other one it's surveys. So when you do surveys and you get to qualify and you get to complete more about, you see this one has completed 8 surveys, and then this is the reward that they're gonna be giving to the person. So yeah, this app, guys, does pay well. So if you do well, you also get paid well. So into this contest. So let me get to another way of earning, which is by completing surveys. Guys, if you do surveys, you are able to get to be on the contest, and you also earn quite well when you're doing surveys. You see this one, it says uh this amount of points, and then this another one, this is 4,376 points, which is equivalent to $4.3. So just for a survey, guys. So you see this site does pay well with surveys. For those who do not know what surveys are the task that you are given, you answer based on your opinion. So they only want your opinion so that they can improve their products or the service that they are providing. So they only want they want your opinion on what you think, and then they gather all the opinion to make their product or service much better. So that's what surveys are. And then with this site, with this surveys topic, guys, I will cover more about surveys on the next video, as I'll be explaining deep on how you can qualify more of the surveys. So I've tried a lot of surveys and I was not qualifying for them. So as time goes on, I learn from the others, and I also got my own experience on how we are able to be having all this amount of surveys available to us. So I'll do the video about surveys, but when you're completing your profile, when you're doing your survey profile, guys, make sure you put yourself as a high earner. So, and you have to be honest with yourself. Don't say today you are a doctor and then tomorrow you're an accountant. So if you said when you're creating a profile you're a doctor, stick to that of saying you're a doctor, and then you'll be good to go. So just be honest, but make sure you place yourself as a high end. I will explain why about that in the next video when I'm explaining more about surveys, because I don't want to take this video to be long. So another way to earn, it's this one, guys. As I've told you, you open the chest and then they will give you points or percentages for your earnings. So let me see what I'm gonna be getting with mine. Let's see. Okay, I've won 15 points, so that will be added into my account. So you just close, and that's simple as that. That's how you earn with the points, guys. This chest. And then another way of earning, it's by doing offers. So you do offers. Let me show you offers. By offers, what I mean is you get to download the apps. You see, in this case they give you bold, and then these are the points that you're gonna get, and then there's another one. So you download the apps and then you just run the app, and then you get rewarded by the points. You don't have to spend time on the app whatsoever. You just have to read the instruction, what they telling you. So it's simple as that. You do offers. And then here's my favorite, guys. Here is the creme della, the cheese, the mortar, the offer well, guys. So this is where I charge all the money, guys. So with the offer well is you'll be given task, so you'll be having games, all of everything are there. So that's where you make money. So I'll show you that one with my phone, because with this one there is no digital turbine. So you see I only have review and then my chips, because of I'm using my laptop. So I'll show you the phone version with this one and how you can be able to get more points or more money. So in this site, guys, you are able to earn around 30 to 50 just for playing games. They will give you a game to do, and then you have to reach a certain level, and then you get rewarded. If they say reach level 1 or reach level 20 when you're playing a certain game, and then you reach that level, maybe they'll give you $2 or certain amount. So I'll explain more on my phone. And then here's another way of earning. you see app offers. So this one, you download the apps for your phones and then you install them, also you get rewarded for them. And then another one, which is from South Africa, guys. Me, I've not been getting videos. I only got 2 when I was starting out. So you get these videos if you are in other areas. Like, what I mean is, maybe if you're in America, you get more videos. So you watch videos and then they pay you with points, and then those points you convert them, you get your cash. So with the video one, Lootup is in partnership with Hideout TV. So this is where you get to watch those videos. Hideout TV, it's another platform where you watch videos and then you get rewarded by watching videos. So let me go to the redeem section on how, guys, you are able to get your money, and what I was meaning by the points. So to make it simple, you see here it says 1000 points, it's equivalent to $1. So that was what I was explaining. So whenever you get your points, maybe you get a 300 points, 200 points, until they get to 1000 points, that means you get a $1. So these points are not that difficult to get, guys. They are very simple. As you saw with surveys, you can get these points much easier. So I'll enter my points, which is, this is amount of points that I have, and then I will enter my email that I'm using for my PayPal account. So this one, guys, I'm hiding it out, and then you say confirm. Here is my proof of payment that I got for the first time on my screen, guys. I also wanted to show you. Okay, guys, this is the Android version of a Lootup. So I want to show you the section that I told you that you can get money. So this is where we eat, guys, which is the offer world. You have to come to this one, which is the digital turbine. Just click on this one. Just click on this one. It's loading. So guys, here you play games. You also get to download the quiz apps. So remember what I told you, that 1000 points, it's equivalent to $1. So look at the top offer that they are offering. So at the moment we have 49,000 points. So that's like $49.1 for playing game, guys. You download a game, you reach a level, and then this other one is $16, and then this other ones are the quiz. So this one are just quick money, and then this other ones, you can see, you download Bolt, you get the points. So you see all of this, there's money on this side, guys. So you are able to earn, you can even make a lot of money. Look at this one, guys, I'm not joking. So you play game and then you reach a certain level. Others, you download a game or an app such as this one, which is Bolt. You just download and install, then you get your 40 points. So the points are easy to get, and on this section it's easier to accumulate the points, guys. Yeah, that is it. So let me show you how you redeem this point. So you basically just do this, and then you go to the Lootup app or website, doesn't matter, whatever that you are using, and then this is how the page looks like. You click here on the corner, and then here is the section that says promo codes, and then you click here, and then you type the code that they gave you, which is, they said it's FEB50, and then just say apply, and then it says promo code successfully applied. Very easy to get these codes. They always post the codes, so just check. You see, here's the other one, they gave 50 also. Here's another one, 50, 55, 40. They always give away points, guys, here. So you just have to follow them, the page, and then that's it. So that is it, guys, with this app. The points are not that difficult to earn. Don't get scared with the points. So the link is in the description, guys. click the link in the description to sign up for this app, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.